Bandhan is around the corner, I thought this is the right time to share the recipe with you all. Let's get started. Let's see what the ingredients are. It is cashew nuts of 1 bowl, pistas 1 bowl, and raisins 1 bowl, badam or almonds 1 bowl, de-seeded dates 2 bowls, desi ghee 2 tablespoons, sesame seeds 1 tablespoon, and khaskhas 1 tablespoon. Let's get started. We should chop all the dry fruits into tiny pieces and soak the de-seeded dates for about a half an hour in the hot water. Heat the pan on medium flame. Roast the khaskhas. Now add the sesame seeds. Now we add the dry fruits and roast them. And it's on medium flame. Keep stirring it continuously. Now we add the dates puree. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. It is optional. And take the ingredients in a plate for it to cool down. Now spread the mixture on the plate and let it cool. Now put some sesame seed for the top